Hello everyone, you can access the WorkDrive from the related list in a record. By default, the view is icon view. You can see there is an MP4 and you can just right-click and click Open in WorkDrive. It will be open in WorkDrive and you can watch the video. Okay, but here in the related list, we don't support this. We only support PDF and PNG. Let's say this one is the PDF and this one is the PNG. Both these files are supported. And regarding the view, you can change the default view to the thumbnail. You need to go to the Settings, Marketplace, Installed, go to WorkDrive Setting, go to Related List, and select View. Let's say the thumbnail view. Okay, it is saved. Reload this section. You can see the view is changed. So that is how you can view the document easily. Thanks.